Yes, this message is for Cartel. Alkaline better than you nigga. Alkaline been better than you, nigga. That's why years ago when I used to follow Alkaline, you messaged me and told me not to follow him, and do I ever lie? No, I don't. You told me to unfollow Alkaline because you were jealous of him. You nothing but a bitch, Cartel. You owe all your fucking artist royalties.
Vybz Kartel purchased new home. Big mansion. Or should I say, Galshan. But first, remember to subscribe. Yes, viewers and subscribers. So we're going to talk about Mon Cherie dissing Vybz Kartel in the worst way. But before I do, just hit the like button and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. So, Mon Cherie is a St. Lucian artist and she had quite a lot to say about Vybz Kartel, the world boss. Now, I played a little clip earlier, so I'm going to play the whole thing for you right now so you can hear it for yourself. So, hear it now.
Alkaline better than you nigga. Alkaline been better than you, nigga. That's why years ago when I used to follow Alkaline, you messaged me and told me not to follow him, and do I ever lie? No, I don't. You told me to unfollow Alkaline because you were jealous of him. You nothing but a bitch, Cartel. You owe all your fucking artist royalties. That's why you can fucking buy all these mansions and shit like that, because the baddest female song you've ever made was Gates of Heaven. Well, not maybe the baddest, but one of the best, besides Vanessa Bling. Have you ever paid her royalties? She has to work for everything she has. A good thing I'm rich and my parents are rich. I don't have to beg anybody for anything, especially you. Fucking Vybz Kartel, you a fucking bitch, nigga. And you want to see real bad man? Come to St. Lucia. I'll show you real bad man. I'll show you real fucking gangsters. Cause you were never a fucking bad man. Bad man no go to fucking jail, bitch. I know real dons from my country, and they've never been incarcerated. Actually, they protect the politicians. Cartel. And your host to them that we know nothing about, that probably take how much black cock in the UK before she met you, bitch. I don't know who the fuck you fucking with, but you're not fucking with Mon Cherie. At all. You ugly frog. You're not as bad as you think, Cartel. The comment is coming. What comment? What comment? Man, and the match dog. What the fuck is that? Cause in a war, man, master colder than a fucking Alaska, bitch. And your show is going to flop. Mind my words. Fuck you, Cartel.
Yes, viewers and subscribers. So, 2 years ago, this same girl, she leave a message on her Instagram, say, OMG, I think Christmas is coming early this year. I just want to cry because Vybz Kartel, well, she said Kartel, is such an inspiration to me, and the music we make comes truly from the heart. Now, how can you say all of these things about Vybz Kartel, and then, 2 years later, yeah, this the man, when the man come out road? Them thing there make you show how people is. As she sing that song, yeah. Now, me I say, that song they sound tough still in people. And me, she's a very talented artist. But if she have a problem with Vybz Kartel on a musical level, if you feel like you not get what is owed to you as far as music-wise and royalty-wise, then you take him to court, right? You make the lawyers talk. You don't come on social media and make a fool of yourself, Miss Mon Cherie. You're very talented, but you just make a big mistake on your career right there. So, you understand? Me know say he's a good artist. Hopefully you can recover from this. But to tell you the truth, you say you come from a rich family, you say Vybz Kartel is jealous of Alkaline, you say all of these things, and people just wonder if you're like scorned. Maybe you feel like say, him never help you out enough. Maybe you feel like say, boy, him there road now, him fit invite you at the party or the big show there in December. I don't know what it is. But one think people, one think say she buy the answer feed her or what? One feel like say, maybe she overreact. More know what you think in the comments. Alright? Wanna leave in the comments and we'll talk about it. But we're gonna talk about the next situation, yeah, so. Yeah, man. So Vybz Kartel buy one new mansion. All my friend them that say him buy one new girl shan. But to tell you the truth, him post a picture of him lawyer and him that talk about the mansion, yeah, so I tell you boy, mansion look nice. The house me should say. Big house look nice, post up out front, lawyer team. Don't know. It's only a dream. So on top of that, you don't know say him have him security team right there so. So him make you know say, him very secure and everything is alright for the mansion for sure. So we're gonna take a look on the mansion now. So as you can see, big yard space, big car park up in the driveway, and everything just look so fine about the mansion. Girl shan. When you look on it, the house, they on like a hillside, and me I tell you the truth. You did that thing say I find this that outside the band, if I tell you the truth. So we're gonna look inside. So as you can see now, TV, the pan, wall, and it's not small. You see what I say? And then we have fridge now, double door fridge, people, and a cheap something. But the elegance of this house is definitely nice. I mean, I have to say, big up to Vybz Kartel. Him really live nice. Him endure everything where him couldn't get a prison right now. And it really feel good for say him live like this. So I say, but the house itself, you can tell say the house is very well put together. There's nothing really that is out of place. The bathroom look nice. As I look on the bathroom right there now. The bathroom look nice. The bedroom them look nice. The stairs, everything look flush about the house. It's another bedroom this, as you can see. Very spacious. Everything just well lined up and put together. So when me think about the house, boy, if me could have buy one house like this, me buy it yesterday or maybe last week. But yeah, man, the house bad for true. Yes, viewers and subscribers. So me tell you now what me think about the house and thing. More know what you think in the comment section below. So just leave your comments in the comment section below. And remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And just remember to big up yourself. If you subscribe already, you don't know the thing go. You are part of the Jamaica Extra Nation and love and honor and respect. Yes, what may I say. But until the next one, I'm out.